Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to downgrade your iPhone from iOS 14 beta to iOS 13. Now, you might be downgrading from iOS 14 to 13 because iOS 14 is not yet the stable version and it's having many bugs. Now, before you get started, make sure you've created a backup of your iPhone onto your Windows PC or Mac through iTunes. Now, once you've done that, open your settings and under your profile, scroll down till you find this option called Find My, and under Find My, you can find the Find My iPhone option. Now under this, turn off Find My iPhone. Once you've done that, it will ask you for your password. Now once you've entered your password, just click on Turn Off. Now as you can see, Find My iPhone is disabled on my iPhone. Now let's move on towards our PC. Now once you're into your PC, open the 3U Tools software. I have provided the download links to this software in the description below, so you can download it from there. Now connect your iPhone to your PC. It will ask you to trust the PC on your iPhone. So just hit trust on your iPhone and enter your passcode. Now as you can see, my iPhone is connected with my PC and shown here. Now head on to the Flash and JB section at the top. Here you can see I've already downloaded the latest version of iOS 13. If you haven't downloaded it, download it from here. Once you've downloaded it, at the bottom of your screen you get to see two options. One is the retain users data and the other is quick flash mode. If you have any of your data on iOS 14, select the retain users data option. If you don't have any of your data, select the quick flash mode. Now once you've made your choice, click on flash. A warning pop-up may appear saying to back up your iPhone. Just ignore it and then click on flash. As you can see, the flashing process is started. This might take up to 10 to 15 minutes, so wait patiently and do not disturb this process. Now let me just fast forward this process. Now that my iPhone is booted up, let me complete the setup. As you can see, I've successfully downgraded my iPhone from iOS 14 beta to iOS 13. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel.